This is how to take your normal boring skeleton that looks like this
to glowing bright white.
This would be pretty easy to do with a white UV paint, but unfortunately that doesn't really exist. You can find it in really small quantities, but it's also super expensive. First product we're going to try is called Laundry Whitener. There's all kinds of different brands of this, and there's detergent with whitener in it, but you're going to want to make sure you've got the actual laundry whitener, as it's the whitener itself that will glow nice and bright white. This stuff comes in more of a rocky powder, and it will work like that, but your glow will be a little bit more spotty, so we're going to run it through the blender once. After a minute or two, it's all mixed up into a nice fine powder, and it should give us a nice even coat. Want to prepare your skeleton, and then all we're going to do is take a paint tray. All we're going to do is put some in the container, and we're going to add a little bit of water. We don't want to turn this into a liquid, we want it to be more of a paste, and we can just brush it on. Might have put too much water in. This dries in usually 10 to 15 minutes. You can add multiple coats if you don't get what you want, but let's see how it looks like after one coat. The best part is this, after it dries, it's fairly durable. You have to actually scratch it off, and it's actually even fairly waterproof. I think I'm going to leave this guy with only one coat on him. Kind of lay. If you go any thicker, it's going to look like just it was painted white. Still looks kind of natural this way, I think. Last year we built this toxic drinking skeleton, which was pretty cool. Because the neon green was so bright and the skeleton was actually pretty dull, he didn't really stand out all that much. So hopefully this will make him pop out.